Thank you very much, Morgan. This is the 25th anniversary of CNBC, and we have narrowed our list of the 200 most influential business leaders, icons, and rebels of the past quarter century. We've narrowed it down to 100. We also listened to you, the viewers, by the way, because we asked you to tell us on our list of 200, who did we get right, who did we get wrong, who did we leave out? And let's look at the 7 whom we added to our final 100 based on your viewer votes. Tim Berners-Lee, inventor of the World Wide Web. Aliko Dangote, little known in this country, but the richest man in Africa, built a fortune on commodities. Wayne Huizenga, we'll talk a little bit more about him, and Marcus will talk about him, and he joins me in just a moment. Founded 3 Fortune 500 companies. The first billionaire of fracking, George Mitchell. Howard Stern, the king of all media. Lynn Tilton,